What's the meaning of bassinet? Bassinet. Bassinet.
Bassinet. Bassinet. A bassinet is a type of baby bed designed for infants from birth until approximately 4 months of age. It is typically smaller and more portable than a crib, with a basket-like structure that allows for easy movement around the house. Bassinets are often used in the first few months of a baby's life, allowing parents to keep their newborns close by at all times. They can have features such as rocking mechanisms or detachable Moses baskets for added versatility. Overall, a bassinet provides a cozy and secure sleeping space for a baby during the early stages of their development.